how to find the snap map on Snapchat, of course. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Snapchat. After this, when Snap is opening, you will go here on your profile icon. Then you will click. After this, you will go to settings here and click, or you will go just usually down to snap map. You will click, and here this is the snap map. So here you can watch the snap map, for example, of London. I will just click on London, then I will see all the snap map here. Like as you see, someone. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.